Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Just a minute, let me just nice, done. So here we are. So let's see today's market analysis. You guys are able to see the screen, I believe. Okay, so this is Nifty. If you guys see, Nifty broke this trend line. Okay, it broke this trend line and then it came back again to the trend line, and it's at a very crucial level. Okay, it's at a very crucial level. I will tell you a pattern behind this. Observe it properly. If you guys see this, this is a big red candle and a green candle. Inside candle started going up. Again, big red candle, inside candle, big red candle, but it did not even come close. It started going up. This fall, big red candle, small candle, started going up. Same kind of pattern is happening again. Okay, so here I'll be very clear. If it crosses this high, okay, this is the high, that is 22,200 and above. Okay, I'll be very clear, 22,205 and above. If it goes, I will be buying it. Okay, and I'll be holding it for a bigger target, because this is the pattern it's following. If it breaches this low, that is 22,915 and below, I'll be shorting it. Okay, so this low is where I'll be looking forward to short it. You guys can see it here, yeah, clearly. After this low, I will be very happy to short it. This low, or even we can keep this low also works. Okay, so this low also works. 21,855 and below, we can short. So these are the two potential trades I'm looking forward to. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. Now let's see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as we discussed already, today I had an opportunity here. I traded it. Market did come up. Okay, it started coming up. Here is where we had a selling, but market came up. This was a very crucial level, which was a support, was acting as a support. Now it has to act as a resistance, so that is what it did. It did not breach, it fell. I shorted exactly in this green candle. I held this target and exited. Okay, I had my target till here, but my trigger stop, my trailing stop loss got hit here at 1:2.5. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll see what I'm going to do on Bank Nifty or Nifty. It's the same picture here. Big red candle, small ups. There was no big red candle, so it is coming down slow. Selling always happens fast. Okay guys, selling always happens fast, but this is an exhausted candle. This is a strong candle, this is an exhausted candle. So what I am expecting is there is a very high probability for this to bounce back. If we don't close with another red strong candle, there is a very high probability for price to bounce back up. Okay, so where I'll be shorting, let me clearly tell you. 46,560 and below, I will be shorting it. I will be buying post 47,248. These are the two places where I'll be selling and buying. Hope this is clear. Next is US oil. So US oil, what happened? The price started going in a direction in a good way. We booked around 50% here, then we booked around 20% here. Rest I'm holding it. Okay, rest 30% I'm holding it. This is pretty good, given a breakout, and it has come down. Okay, it has come down and now is going back up. So now my target is still $83.40. Okay, let's see how this goes. I don't have to add any new positions here, but if it breaks this, that is $81.25 and above, I might add it. Okay, that is above this level, $81.40 and above, I might buy it. Nothing before that. Next is gold. Gold is about to reach our sell zone. If it breaches below 2145, I'll be selling it. Nothing before that. I told you guys this is a volatile zone. Buy here, it can go up and come down. Some people like to trade this zigzags. Okay, some people like to trade this, but I don't like to trade that, because it takes a long time to go up and long time to come down. So I don't like to trade that. I want momentum to be on my favor. So if it breaches 2145 and below, I'll be selling it. Okay, so that's it for gold. And guys, I don't have any swing trading stocks for now. I want the market to take a proper direction and give us a sign. Only then I'll be having new swing trading stocks. Okay. If you guys like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.